welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be unboxing one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes, which is the Allure Beauty Box. So I have with me today my February beauty box, so we're going to go ahead and get started and check it out. This beauty box retails for $25 every single month, and there is free shipping on it. And inside you are guaranteed 3 full-size products in addition to some sample and travel-sized items as well. And I will tell you guys, for February, one item pays for this entire box. And it's just not one item that does that. There's a second item in here that can pay for the whole box twice over even. Basically what I'm getting at is February is a really great month. So if you're interested and you want to purchase this February box, I will be posting a link and a discount code down below. Inside of your February box, you're going to have a little booklet that talks about all of your products. The theme that we have is Light Up. It says in February, it's time to brighten your complexion and your day. We're getting through winter and we need to be more luminous. So it says this box is supposed to help us be glowing from the inside out. We're going to have some moisturizing items in here. We're going to have some different glowing items to lift our spirits. All perfect coming out of winter. So everybody in the month of February is going to be receiving a product from YSL. This is going to be their lipstick balm. It is a hydrating lip balm that also has a color tint inside of it to give you long-lasting color all day as well. So this is a full-size product, and if you are an existing member, you are able to log into your account and choose the color that you wanted to have for the month of February. Now, if you sign up as a new member in February, you will receive one of these products, but you won't be able to customize. They will surprise you with one of 4 different shades. So this one that I have here is number 44. What I will tell you is all of the shades that they had available for us are very neutral. They're very complimentary. I think they're going to work for everybody's skin tones. So even if you don't get to customize, I don't think it's a terrible thing because you're getting really great colors out of it still. So this is what number 44 looks like, and this is our Yves Saint Laurent full-size product. This product, you guys, retails for $43. So this is what I mean, that one item this month pays for your entire Allure Beauty Box. And if you've not gotten to try this product before, I highly recommend it. So like I said, it is a balm lipstick combo. It is a gorgeous hybrid where it will give you long-lasting hydration and color throughout the day. In the booklet, it will show you the other 4 shades that are available this season. So as you can tell, they're all very close to each other. I personally do not think you can get a bad color this month. It's nothing crazy or over the top. They're very complimentary. The second full-size product that we have in our box is coming from Aava. This is the Essential Day Moisturizer. It is a full-size moisturizer. This will be 75 ml or 2.5 ounces. It is sealed down here, so when you receive it, it will be nice and fresh. It is vegan and it is safe for sensitive skin. You can use this on your face, but you can also use it all over your body as well. But this product retails for $78. So again, more than enough to pay for your entire box this month. This brand primarily focuses on Dead Sea minerals, and so they will use a lot of fresh ingredients inside of their products. This is one of their best-selling products that they have. This, and there's one other moisturizer that they make, are their top 2 items. The idea behind this not only is hydration, but it's also going to give you a more youthful appearance, and it's going to give you a brightening effect to your skin, which is on par with the theme that Allure has this month of brightening up. And our third full-size item this month inside of our box, this is a cleansing stick, and it is a full-size product. Now, I've never tried this brand. I've never tried this balm out before, so this will be my first time experiencing it. However, I like what I see for ingredients on this product. There is geranium inside of this. They've also got mandarin as well. This is a cleansing balm where you don't necessarily have to have water, so you could be flying or traveling on the go. Take this off and you can use it as a cleanser and use it to work in with your hands, and it will help to remove any dirt, makeup, impurities, things like that. This balm comes in at $40 though for it, which ding, 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 pays for your entire box again. So here's what the balm itself will look like. It's just a stick, and like I said, you're able to just rub this on and you can work it in with your hands and then wipe it off afterwards and it will remove everything for you. This one is all made here in the US as well, which is super exciting. And because it's considered one of Allure's best of winners, you actually receive an exclusive discount code to try it out for 50% off as well. So everyone will be receiving this discount. It is inside of the balm box. So if you want access to this code and this discount, you will need to open up your box and then you'll find this code in there and you can actually stock up and try their other products for half off. Now, included in your Allure Beauty Box, you will also receive 3 travel-sized items. So that's what we're going to go through next is our 3 travel-sized items for February. The first item that you will receive is the Commodity Fragrance Perfume. Now, this is a travel size, and this is the Milk Scent. Now, if you'll notice, it has a plus sign next to it. This means that it is a bold scent. Now, Commodity makes this as just the standard milk, but if you get the milk with the plus sign, it is a bolder, stronger scent. It's still the same scent as the classic milk, it's just going to be stronger. This is one of my personal favorites. The scent profile on this is marshmallow with tonka bean and milk in there, so it's a very strong vanilla scent. I feel like this is gonna work for everyone just because it is a vanilla fragrance. The other item that we have for our travel size is from Jasmine Beauty. This is their clear eyebrow wax. So this is considered their travel size and it is designed to shape and mold your brows. It is just a clear eyebrow wax. If you were gonna purchase the full size product, it has a retail value of $20. However, this one comes in at about $10 in value for this size. And the last item that's included in our February box this year is from Lush. Okay, I gotta tell you guys, even though this is not full size, I'm so excited to see this in a subscription box. So Lush is a really cool company. My first time ever experiencing them was at the mall, and they will actually make all the products in front of you. So that way you're getting fresh, clean skincare or body products. And that's what made them so popular, is because you get to see them make it and you know exactly what is being put into your body care items. So Lush actually made all of these fresh for Allure members here in the month of January. They do have a 1-year shelf life on them, and on the back they actually have a sticker showing who made your product, when it expires, when they made this. Mine was all just made, like I said, here in January. So it is fresh, it's all been sealed as well, and you can still recycle these. So if you take the packaging back to Lush, they'll actually take $1 off of your order, or if you return 5 of these, they'll give you a free face mask. I'm probably giving you way more information than you need to know about this product, but I just love this brand that I'm so excited that it's in here. It's one of them I'm passionate about. So this product is called Happy Skin. It is a facial exfoliator and it uses pineapple enzymes to break down any texture that you might have. So you want to use this after you've cleansed, then you're going to go in and use this as your exfoliator. And you can use this on your body or your face, and it will break down any bumps or texture that you have and make it smooth and fresh afterwards. Which is perfect again with our theme, because then we'll be all nice and bright and smooth and shiny afterwards. This seriously is a game changer. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. So those are all of the products that everyone is going to be receiving in the month of February. If you guys are wanting this exact same box, make sure you sign up in February in order to receive this box of goodies. And you can save a little bit of money this month as well with my discount code, which I'm going to be posting it down below for you guys. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the February Allure Beauty Box. I'm in love, as you can tell. Like, ironically, as much as I love getting a YSL product, I think I'm most excited to see the Lush product just because I know this brand and I love it. It smells good, it works well. So I know that sounds crazy that I would take the sample size over the full size, but I'm excited. But comment down below and let me know what you guys think and we can chit chat all about it. But don't forget, if you order in January, you're gonna get the January box. So just wait till February 1st and then you can order this. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!